In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Slides in full screen presenter mode. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or a classroom session, being able to display your slides seamlessly is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, let's get you started by going to Google Slides, open your preferred web browser and type in slides.google.com. This will direct you to the Google Slides main homepage. Next, ensure you're logged into your Google account. The top right corner of the browser should display your profile picture or your initial. If you're not logged in, simply click there to sign in using your credentials. Once signed in, you're now on the Google Slides homepage. Now here's a little tip. If you frequently use Google Slides, it's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access. Next, you can either start a new presentation or continue editing an existing one. If you choose to start fresh, click on Blank Presentation. Alternatively, you can select from the variety of templates Google offers, which can save you time and help you create visually appealing slides quickly. With your presentation open, it's time to present. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Slideshow button. Click on it and this enters presenter mode, which is essential for your audience-focused delivery. This mode allows your slides to take center stage on the screen, eliminating distractions from toolbars and other browser tabs. Now, to ensure your slides look their best, let's take it a step further into full screen mode. You'll notice a three-dot icon in the bottom left corner of your presentation screen. Give that a click and a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the Enter Full Screen option. Clicking this transforms your presentation into an immersive visual experience by using your entire screen space. Perfect for keeping your audience engaged without any clutter. By now, you should be in full screen presenter mode, sharing your slides in the most effective way possible. Remember, testing your setup before the actual presentation day can prevent any last-minute hiccups. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your Google Slides presentation can be shared seamlessly in full screen mode, enhancing the experience for both yourself and your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful tips on making the most of your digital tools. Happy presenting!